Step number 1 is to get on your phone. Step number 2 to click play button on YouTube. Step number 3 to get paid real money and real cash straight in your account. All you have to do is watch YouTube videos like this one you're seeing right now. How great is that? This is completely free, available anywhere in the world. You do not need to invest any money to get started. You can start earning money right away because I'll show you how to do this step by step. Also, I have a special bonus for you at the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end so you do not miss an important part. I'll give you a free tool that will place everything on total autopilot so you can double your potential earning. Before we go further into this video, welcome to this channel where I'll teach you the most up-to-date money online ideas, tips and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, press the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Hello guys, I hope you are having a fantastic day. Before I show you the steps, I want you to pay close attention to this. I want you to look at this website. It's called followfast.com, where you can make tons of money just by watching YouTube videos. And it's completely free. It's not going to cost you a dime. It's very simple. I'm about to show you right away. As you can see, you can join for free. You're going to watch some YouTube videos and some coins. That's how you're going to make money from this website. I'm about to show you how you can sign up. To sign up, simply click on join over here. So it's going to take you a page looks like this. As you can see, you're going to have to fill out all of those things to be able to sign up. First of all, pick a username over here. So you can pick any username you want. For example, I'm gonna type this. Once you pick your username, you want to put your email address over here. Make sure the email address you're going to put, it's the active. After you do that, you want to create a new password over here. Once you do that, you want to put the password again. And about the location, you don't have to put the location over here. It's going to do that automatically. And for referral, you don't have to put anything over here. You can leave it empty. Another thing, you want to put the captcha over here. So simply type it. Simply type whatever on the screen. For example, 9162. Once you do that, you want to simply click on join button over here. And it's very simple, and once you sign up, it's going to look like this. Now you can finally start earning money on this website. As you can see, there's a tons of options over here: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and other social medias as well. As you can see, you can also earn money by liking YouTube videos, subscribing as well. But for this video, we're only going to watch some YouTube videos and make money. Simply want to click over here. Before I show you how to do this, I want you to look at this. As you can see, this shows the potential earnings of other people over here. They're withdrawing money every single day. As you can see, they're making hundreds of dollars. It's very easy to withdraw from this website. There's a tons of payouts method over here. As you can see, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, and other services as well. As you can see, they are literally making money every single day. So this website is 100% real. I highly encourage you to check it out. Let's get back to work and earn some real money. I'm about to show you how you can make tons of money on this website. So simply click on place over here. As you can see, you're going to earn 6 points just by watching this YouTube video. You simply want to click on play over here. As you can see, it's going to take you to our YouTube video over here, and it's a live video. You only have to watch the video for 35 seconds, and you can even pause the video and stay on the page. You don't have to watch the whole video, and the website will still count down the seconds. As you can see, the points are added to my balance over here. For example, I'm gonna play another video over here. As you can see, there's another video opened up, and I don't even have to watch the whole video. You can literally pause the video and stay on the page, and the website will still count the time. So I'm going to show you a bonus trick that will help you make money even if you have a bad internet connection. So you want to click on settings over here. You want to come all the way to 144p. That way, if you have bad internet connection or lots of people are using your internet, you can still watch the video. That way, you don't have to wait for it to load. As you can see, the points are added to my balance over here. It's very simple. I'm about to show you a bonus method that you can do to double your potential earning at the end of the video. So make sure you keep watching this video. So you're gonna ask me, now you're asking me how you're you're going to withdraw the money you're just making on this website. So to withdraw, simply click on cash out over here. As you can see, there's varieties of payment method over here: Perfect Money, Bitcoin, and many others. When you reach the certain balance, you can withdraw your money right away, and it's very simple and it's very quick. As you can see, there's a minimum payout system, $1.5 for PayPal, same for Bitcoin, and same for Perfect Money. It's very easy. All you have to do is get paid through your PayPal, and you'll get paid within 3 to 5 days, even less. It's very simple. Now I'm going to show you the daily bonus over here. Simply click on daily bonus over here. As you can see, you can literally get 100 daily points over here by doing 15 likes on a video, and it's very simple. All you have to do is click over here and complete the task. That way you'll earn 100 points. There's another bonus as well. To do this, you simply want to click it over here and complete the task. I highly encourage you to check out this website, guys, and it's very simple, so you can start doing this right away. If you like similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you find it helpful, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, comment down below. I hope to see you in next video. Until then, stay safe.